color all the pieces of your cork monster. You can use whatever you want to color your pieces. Use markers, use crayons, use colored pencils, use paint, use anything. And you don't have to worry about staying in the lines because we're cutting them out. Now here's where you cut out all of the pieces of your cork monster. He's gonna be so cute! Now add all the pieces to your paper bag using tape or glue or anything else that is sticky. Now you just need to show off your monster. His name is Cork and you can make him all your own.